contrast. So don't use these terms interchangeably and out of context. And now, the juxtaposition of incongruity is the whole process of merging this incompatibility into some sort of cohesive phenomenon. So it's supposed to be contrast, but when you juxtapose them, there's a cohesiveness to this polarity. They become one, right? They might be polarity, coexisting polarity, or coexisting contrast, contradictory, like the wave medium, the wave particle duality in light technically is considered a paradox, a duality, and ambiguity simultaneously, because paradoxes is based on contradictory and different controversies, conspiracies, speculations. I can determine, I don't know in that sense, like a major chord, you know, a major chord. A major chord may sound bright, you know, a major chord will sound bright. A minor chord will sound dark, and in art, you have it's synonymous to art because let's correspond a major chord to, let's say, light. Light will make an object pop, and this is what but the higher frequency